Here is the real truth nobody tells you about reaching the absolute peak of your potential. You can build an airtight schedule, track every single metric in your business, and lock in your daily discipline. But if you harbor secret resentment when someone else wins, you are operating from a toxic framework of lack that will choke out your progress. True self-mastery requires you to transition from a narrow scarcity trap into a wide abundance mindset where you actively celebrate the victories of others. Scarcity is a weak, fearful lens that views life as a single pie, making you feel like someone taking a slice leaves less for you, which forces your brain into a state of bitter anxiety. An abundance mindset is a powerful system that recognizes success is a renewable resource, meaning that when someone else achieves a major goal, it is living proof that the system works and that your turn is coming next if you keep executing. To fix this right now, you must implement the immediate applause tip, forcing yourself to send a genuine congratulatory message the exact moment you hear about a peer's victory to reprogram your subconscious mind away from envy. When you celebrate others, you immediately align your energy with success, open up massive channels for high-leverage networking, and train your brain to spot the exact strategies that lead to winning. Consider the case study of an ambitious agency owner named James. He was struggling to scale his client list and found himself constantly scrolling through social media, feeling deeply bitter and resentful toward his direct competitors, who were posting massive revenue milestones. This toxic habit left James feeling completely drained, anxious, and losing focus on his own sales calls. He realized his mindset was sabotaging his business, so he implemented a hard change. He started a daily discipline where he actively reached out to 3 competitors every week, specifically to praise their public wins and ask high-level questions about their execution. Instead of creating rivalries, this radical abundance approach shocked his peers, and 2 of those top competitors ended up overflowing with too much work and referred premium, high-paying clients directly to James because they trusted his professional character. Within 60 days, James eliminated his daily bitterness, secured 4 new major retainers, and successfully scaled his monthly business revenue by 50%. You do not need to pull others down to lift yourself up. Shift your daily framework immediately to let genuine appreciation shield your inner flame from the blinding wind of jealousy. Subscribe right now to join our inner circle and unlock the machine-like blueprint for an easy, high-leverage life.